Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix and solve CapCut insufficient storage on any Android phone. So if you get this notification, insufficient storage, clean up some phone storage and try again. It means your phone is full, your storage of your phone is full. So in order to do that, to play or use CapCut again, you can try to hold CapCut icon, tap app info, then try to force stop first. Then you can tap on storage usage and clear cache. And I'll consider to clear the data, but you need to relog in. And also try to clean up some junk files or case on your Android phone by go to the settings and search for storage and free up some or clean up your storage to free up some space. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.